Hey everybody, your Harley parts guy here. So we have a used factory OEM outer fairing. Now this outer fairing is a little rough. I'm going to show you guys that here in a second. First and foremost, this is painted in Ember Red Sunglo. Factory part number is 58230-12DJS. Fits 96 through 2013 touring models. Once again, a little rough. This side of the fairing, really good condition. The worst thing it would need is a buff to get the swirl marks out of it. You'll see it, paint chips is repairable. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. We got a spot right there, as you can see. It's definitely repairable. The rest of the fairing is in great condition. For that reason, I'm only asking $85 plus shipping or best offer. So if you're interested, feel free to drop me a DM. Otherwise, make sure you check out my profile for a link to my eBay store for more Harley related items.